So hi Kevin, I'm going to create a video demo for your request here when uploading a video under the social. So let's go here, log in your account. You should use your admin account here. So scroll down, go to social sharing, and let's add a video here. So example, I'm going to upload a sample video. So this is test video upload, and let's add a content here. Hey, check the video. So we have a content. Now if you have a URL to share, you can just add that here. Okay, if you have URL, if you have YouTube URL, you can also add that here. Now after completing those information, this is optional. You can also add, and you can add a website from your example capture pages, webinar, or other promotional website. And this is an optional also if you want to add a YouTube URL. Now after adding those information, you have to select a category here. So since this is a video, we have to select the video UIG. So let's browse our computer here. So browse your computer, check your file. So this one, so example this video, let's upload here, and if everything is good, click submit. Let's just wait to upload the video. It will show a message here on the right upper portion. So as you can see here, it says here that save successful, or the information or the data was recorded. Now let's check the video that we uploaded here. So this is the video that we uploaded. Let's view this, and this is the video. Okay, so if you want to double check if the video is not broken, you can still play. You can play the video here. So that's it. And if you want to edit the content, just click the edit, and you can change the information here. So let's cancel that, and since we uploaded that on our platform or endpoint, let's check on the mobile app. So we are here on our mobile app here. So let's click the share, and let's click the they call this the category. So let's select a category. Since that is a video, let's click this video and click on subcategory, because this is under the subcategory. Okay, so as you can see, it was uploaded. And for the thumbnail, the team is still working on the thumbnail here. We will add a thumbnail here for preview purposes. So now when sharing, let's click the share here. So let's click OK, and we need to wait for a minute or two, because it depends on the video, the file size of the video you would like to share. So let's just wait. So it will show a pop-up here, and it will ask you to select where do you want to send the video. So example, let's select the Messenger or Instagram or Facebook. Okay, so select the Messenger here. So it will ask you to select a contact on your Messenger to whom you want to send. So let's try this, my friends in Facebook. So let's select this. So this was already sent to her. So let's check if the video was attached when we share a video to this particular user. Okay, so the video was sent, and let's check if the video will play here. And as you can see, it is playing. It is playing. The video was sent to a specific user here. Okay, so this is how you upload a video from the platform and check on the mobile app. Thank you for watching.